the Linux command which can show you the program file path. For example, the type of my machine is Mac OS, and I use Homebrew to install a new version of Bash. That's why it's under opt homebrew bin. So when you forget where your program is installed, you can use this command to locate it. Actually, there are two bash binary on my machine. We can use -a option to list them all out. And finally, here is an interesting thing. When you type which with left bracket, you will find out it's actually a program. So when you write the if statement with single bracket, you actually are calling a shell built-in to do conditional check. You can try it out with any built-ins or the programs installed on your machines, and share some interesting ones with us. Now, if you want to learn more tips about Linux commands, I put together a PDF guide of the 50 most useful Linux commands. You can check it out in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video.